Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add correct answers in Google Forms. This allows you to set correct answers for quizzes. Start by opening your form and adding your questions. As you can see, I have added a simple question for the sake of this video. Next, go to Settings and make sure you toggle Make this a quiz to On. After setting it up, go back to your question and click on Answer Key. Here you can choose the correct answer. You can also set a point value for each question. For example, you can assign 50 points. You may also add answer feedback. For incorrect answers, you can show messages like "try again." Once finished, click Save, then click Done. Click Publish, and then click Save. This feature is useful for quizzes, tests, and training exercises. You can automatically track responses, grade results, and review them in the Responses tab. You can also export the results to Google Sheets. Enabling quizzes in Google Forms lets you set correct answers, assign points, and provide feedback. This makes grading faster, easier, and more organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.